Good day, guys. Being here. Today let's try to model this shape, this roof. So okay, so let's start. And I'm going to, so instead of using, because usually when we see a shape like this one, we always think, okay, we probably need to use mask tool. But for this one, I think it's we can use model in we can just use generic models. Or so what I'm going to do is I'll just create a, this is project. I'm going to use model in place. Okay, model in place, and I'll choose generic model and okay. So now what we need to do is, so because we want this one to be perfect arc, and we know that when we use Revolve, so if you think about this, so we just need to, I'll just create, sorry, let me just do a screenshot. What we're going to do is, so see this will become part of a Revolve. If I finish this Revolve, and then we also have, so this arc, so which means the shape will be something like this. Okay, so and then just revolve it all the way around. So this will become, so of course there's arc, but you won't see this line, but yeah. So and then once we finish this revolve, and we cut here, just cut something like this. Cut. Okay, so cut it down, and then just cut away all here, and then we all have this shape. So now let's do it. Okay, so first we're going to use Revolve, and okay, I'm going to maybe just draw a reference line first. I'll just draw a reference line here roughly. Okay, and then I want to create set work plan onto the vertical work plan of this reference line, and then go to that elevation. Now Revolve, click on Revolve. First we need to place an axis line, so this is the center of that Revolve. And then so of course it will be, if I go draw it, it will be here, right? So it will be here. So this is a reference plan of that reference line. And then we need to, yeah, it's a little bit tricky. Okay, so let's draw boundary line. Okay, boundary line will be, let me think again. Let's have a look again. So will be arc to that line, and arc. So basically this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, so maybe this is the heart of that the shape. Okay, so I just draw a line. So this is the lowest part in the middle, not at this point but here. So and then to draw this, the purpose of this line is so I can just create another line that tangent with this one. So okay, so delete this. Okay, so this is the highest point of, so which is here. And then we just need to, I'll just roughly draw something like this. Okay, so maybe I'll just do the same thing. I'll just draw a horizontal line there and connect these two. So I get this and delete this. And then we can connect this to here, go up, trim. Oh, it's not, what's that? Oh, it's nothing. And this is it. So let's finish this, go to 3D view, maybe change to shade SD. So now this is the shape. Okay, so if I go to ground floor, now we just need to cut it, right? So create a void extrusion, start from this point. Yeah, it won't let me pick, so that's fine. Maybe I'll just how can I pick that point? I'm not sure. Maybe go to side plan. Maybe, yeah, maybe because, okay, no, that's better, because current in this ground floor we cut in the middle, so we won't be able to pick that point. Now side plan, we are looking from the top. and this is it. So if I go, so this one should go stop here. So I'll just draw this line, and for this one will be slightly off this point, so maybe here, and a trim, and we just need to copy this one to here, and then mirror DM, trim TR, and just draw another big one to cover everything, and then finish, go to 3D view. Where's my void? It's not tall enough, and once we do this, this is roughly the scale's not right, but there. So this is it. This is the. So of course, if you want to change, if you want to make this part deeper, so what you do is go back to this Revolve, edit, and then try to move this point. So for example, I'll just draw another line here, and then create another arc. Delete TL. So now this will make that part deeper. And also, if you look at here, so it's still not perfect, because if you look at this, so this is more like a arc, like quite perfect arc, but here it's more like a flat straight line. And also see this part. So if you look at here, so this is quite as arc as well. So how can we achieve that? So go back to the Revolve. The reason we have this is because it's just it's not achievable with an arc. So what we need to do is we need this one to be more vertical, and at this part be, I think it's more vertical here. So which means we can't use an arc. We can probably use ellipse, but maybe it's easier to use a spline. So what we can do is go straight down, and then just place another point somewhere on this point. And, sorry, doesn't work. Maybe drag this point to here, and then we just try to, somehow just adjust this one. Let me just. It needs to be maybe just add another point. Okay, so now let's try again. So this one to be vertical, so you can see the little blue dash line there, so which means you are on this vertical line. And this one same, I want to move this to the horizontal line. So now we can adjust this one too. So maybe let's try this shape. Okay, so try this shape. If I finish this, doesn't work, that's fine. Let's go back a little bit and finish. Okay, so this time it works, and you will see this time it becomes more like an arc, right? It's not perfect, but and also in here, so you can see it's also become more an arc instead of a straight line. So you can see it's quite and that's it. So that's a method, just a Revolve, and with a little just a void, and then adjust one of the edge of this Revolve to achieve the shape of these two. Okay, and this this roof is a little bit too the scale's not right, but this is the method. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I also tried to use math to create this one. It can be a little bit tricky. I cut 3 profile, and doesn't work, but I will have another try, and if that works, I'll also show you how to do it. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.